All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to today's tutorials. Today, we'll have our ClickUp. We just started our project management tools, I think 2 days ago. And I told you all the project management tools that we'll do, all the workflows about project management that we're going to do. I told you we're going to do Trello, we're going to do ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com. These are the four we are going to do. There are others. There's still Jira, but I'm teaching just these four. After the four, you can go and explore. You can also go to Google to check alternatives. You can go and check maybe Trello alternatives, maybe ClickUp alternatives to get you others that you can explore via your YouTube. They're teaching so many things in YouTube. You can get them and learn them. So we've done Trello. So today, what we are going to do is ClickUp. For the people using laptop, please sign up for the first time you are trying to register. You sign up using free trial account. Use free trial account and sign up to www.clickup.com. I told you anytime you want to do anything, anytime you want to use any software, just go to any browser you are using, sign up, go www.wherever.com. So you don't need to download it. All right, this is the interface of my ClickUp. This is the interface of my ClickUp. Here I have my home. Home is where you have everything you've done, all your recent. That is where you see it. By the time we start doing things, you will understand this home very well. Whatever you've done, if you invite people on the space, you'll come here and see anything you've done, your recent, you'll see everything here. Okay, we'll have our inbox, like I've always said. Our inbox is where if anything is assigned to you, you get them in your inbox. It is just like your normal Gmail inbox where you get your emails, but this one is ClickUp inbox. This is ClickUp inbox where you get anything that is assigned to you. If anybody mention you still get it here. It is anything directed to you, this is where you get it. Then we'll have documents. Our documents, you see them here. You understand? All right. Then let me go back to this inbox. Here I told you is anything directed to you. That's what you're getting here. I also want to show you here. If you delete anything, this is where you get it in case you want to bring it back. If you want to restore it, this is where you come to restore. Then we'll have the document, we'll have our dashboard. We all know the meaning of that. We'll have our clips. When you want to make a kind of voice note, you use this. We'll have more. Let's see what we'll have in more. Okay, in more, okay, this document is already pinned. That and dashboard is already pinned. They brought it here. Whiteboard is already pinned. Click anything you need, you can pin it. Okay, I think we need goals. Let me pin it so that it will up. Then, yes, goals. Okay, it's up now. Let me pin timesheets because I need to explain it so that it will also come up. All right, we'll have the goals. When it comes to goal, we'll have the team goals. We also have personal goals. In team goals, what do you want to achieve as a team? You create your goals. Maybe we want today as salespeople, we want to achieve so type thing. In fact, as salespeople, maybe we want to get customers, subscribers, maybe 1,000. We'll set a goal for our team. We can also set a goal, a personal goal. Any goal you want to set, you set. You will have timesheets. This is timesheets. If they are tracking it, this is where you see it. If you are tracking any of your jobs, you see the jobs there and see how it's been tracked. We'll still understand it. You haven't tracked any time this week. All right. Okay. Coming here, we'll have everything. When I was signing up to this ClickUp, I put this, also this. So this ones came by default. Then we'll have all spaces. We'll have create space. When you talk about you creating space, the same way we created our project in our Trello, this is where you create your, this is not workspace. This one is not workspace. This is where you're creating your project. Do you understand the kind of your board? All right. We'll have invites. Let me invite team members. I think I still remember some. I will see them. Okay. I have Lucy. Lucy is one of us. I'm inviting Lucy. Yes, I've sent to Lucy. I've sent to Lucy.com has been invited. I've sent to Lucy. I can change Lucy from member to admin, but let's Lucy remain a member. So I've sent to Lucy. I think I sent to Lucy. Abi, am I sending again? All right, I've sent to Lucy. I can still send to more people. if I wish. Okay, I think let me send to more people. Let it not just be only one person. So when I send any invite to you, please quickly come into this workspace. You are a collaborator, you are working with us into this workspace. So if your company is using ClickUp, you understand, they send you invites, you quickly sign into the workspace. Let me invite more people. Please, so, please, one house, one after another. Let someone give me email ID, please. Someone should give me email ID.
L-E-C
Okay,
Lechard,
hold on.
yeah, 2008
Okay, I think I remember this.
at gmail.com.
All right. All right.
Sorry, ma, what are we entering? What's this app?
At Gmail.
Let me enter it.
Ma, you omitted G.
I don't know if you can hear me, ma. What's this app today? Let me type it on my laptop.
All right. Today we are treating ClickUp. It's a project management tool. We've done Trello. Today we are doing ClickUp. ClickUp is spelled CLICKUP. ClickUp. That's what we are doing today. So you go to any browser you are doing, sign up using free trial account www.clickup.com. You sign up. All right. So this is the interface of ClickUp. We'll have our workspace. We'll have our home, inbox, docs. So here, this is our workspace. If I want, I can still create another workspace. So if you want to create another workspace, you come to this drop down, you click on new workspace, you create another workspace. So let's create another workspace. Maybe the workspace we want to create, anyway, I don't even want to create, let me show you. If you want to create another workspace, you go there, follow the prompt. What will you use this workspace for? You put it whatever you want to use it for, the same way you see it when you are signing up. But I don't want to create again because I've created. Yes, so I'm only showing you where you can create another workspace if you wish to create another workspace. All right, anything you are doing, please follow everything one after another. Do not jump so that you don't make mistake. All right, here we are. Home. We are at home. I'm seeing agenda. This agenda, kind of what's next. In this agenda, I want to sync our calendar into our ClickUp. I want to sync our calendar. I wish I can. I want to sync our calendar into this workspace. I do not want to sync my ClickUp into my calendar. Why? If I sync my ClickUp into my calendar, whatever I am doing in ClickUp, I'll be getting notification inside my calendar. And if I'm getting a notification inside my calendar, the same way I'll be getting notification on my phone, and it will be disturbing. So I'm not syncing my ClickUp into my calendar. I want to sync my calendar into my ClickUp. I want to integrate my calendar into my ClickUp. Add calendar integration. Can you see that? I click on add calendar integration. All right, look at it here. What I have, Google Calendar. Connect your ClickUp tags to Google Calendar, meaning I want to add my calendar into Google. I want to add my calendar into. I want to add my calendar into ClickUp. Then click on add. Yes, well, here, watch it. They say add Google Calendar. Here they say sync events to ClickUp. They here say sync tags to Google. No, what I want to sync events to ClickUp, meaning I want to sync my calendar to my ClickUp. I want to integrate my calendar to my ClickUp. All right, I use this. Then next, please watch what I'm doing. Then select account. Which account am I selecting? Connect new account. Okay, let me put my email. Let me put which account I am putting here. Okay, Bo. Hold on, please. I cannot select. No one is sharing. Let me just connect. All right. So let me connect this. This is the one I'm syncing into this place. Is this the account I'm even using? Okay. All right. Just follow the prompts and move. Follow the prompts. Sync. Okay, I'm syncing. All right. Next. Follow the prompts. Okay, wow. Calendar successfully added. Have you seen it? Calendar successfully added. Mean that I've been able to sync my calendar I've been able to integrate my calendar into this workspace. Can you see it? Meaning, if I have anything in my calendar, I can quickly get it here. Do you understand? Yes, I didn't connect my ClickUp to my calendar. If I had done that, anything we are doing inside this ClickUp, it will be entering my calendar and I will be getting notification which will be disturbing my phone. So I didn't do that. All right, let's go back to our workspace. Remember what I told you? You create your workspace here. You create your workspace here. You do your settings there. Please, attention, very, very important. You see this point, this setting of this site. This setting is purely meant for admin. But you don't know where you are getting job. You can get job in a startup company and you'll be the admin that will set up everything here. So it is important you know everything here. Then this side of settings here, watch my cursor. This setting, this side is for you. You that you are working as a collaborator here, you are working in here on this space. You can come here, do whatever you want to do. Anything you are doing here, you are doing it for yourself. If you put your passport, is for yourself. If you that is update, yes, you update your profiles, you are doing it for yourself. This is same when you want to change. If you don't like this color of this interface, you can change whatever color you want. If you want it dark, you change whatever you want, you do it. But I love the white one. So but you, if you do not like the white one, you go and change the theme to black, to whatever color you like. So whatever you are doing here, this side is for you, but this part is for admin. The setting of this part is for admin. So let's quickly do the setting before we do any other thing. I can also invite from inside. I invited 2 people. I'm showing you another place to invite. So we'll have our settings here. In our setting, so in our setting, we'll have people here, meaning that you can invite people from here. Can you see that? You can also invite from here. Can you see it? These are people on this space. I can still invite. I invited this guy 2 times, Abi. Pending. They've not entered into this workspace. So I can invite people via this space again. Please enter a valid email ID. Invite. I can invite people into this workspace. Invite by email. Sorry, another person should give me email ID, please. Someone should give me email ID,
I
please.
didn't get notification for the invite though.
Another person should give me invite. No, I don't know why. Give me another person should give me
I didn't get a notification also. EODU,
E
ODU,
EODU.
TOLA8,
EODU.
TO, TOTOTO,
Uh-huh.
LA8,
LA
8.
8.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I'm inviting you. I can change you as an admin. But I can if I change you as a guest, if I change you as a guest, you cannot do anything on this space. You can just stay here as a viewer. You understand? Okay, you cannot be added to space, must be invited to folders. Okay, yes. All right. Member, invite. So has you have been invited. See if you are seeing any invitation. Glory, I sent invite for you people. I don't know why you didn't get it. I don't know why it is pending. I don't know why it's pending. Okay, Glory, call that your email again. Let me invite again. Let me see. Call that your
LECHARD
LE. Okay. Is it
2000.
this?
Yes, at Gmail.
Let me see why you are not getting it. All right, so I've invited. I'm no longer inviting again. Okay, I've shown you another place you can invite from. All right. They say click apps. Let me explain. Click apps is a kind of apps. They've given us some apps here, just like what I told you in other software. What you don't have, you go to marketplace, you go to app center to go and get it. Now, click apps. They gave us some apps. Yes, they made some app available for us. Just like here, they say AI. AI is enabled here. If I don't want AI to be enabled, watch it. They say ask AI because it's enabled. They've given you this app. If I disable it now, you no longer be seeing it here. You understand? But let me enable it the way it is, the way it came. Do you understand? They will have automation. Automation is already there. If I don't want it, I disable it. You understand? These are the apps they have given us. They have given us some apps and they enable it for us. They now say if all these ones that they enable is a kind of, if all these ones that they enable you are not okay with them, that you need more, what do? You go to App Center to go and integrate another one you don't have. Okay, look at this one. Screen recording is enabled, meaning that you can do screen recording while you are assigning tasks. At least we all know the meaning of this ClickUp. I told you earlier when we were doing Trello that it is where they assign tasks to you. And when they assign tasks to you, what do? When you are working, you keep showing your team lead or whoever has assigned the task to you the progress of your job. If you have started doing the job, you can put doing as an in progress. If you are stuck, you can put I am stuck. If you are finished, you can put completed. This is not where you will be micromanaged because you're not even seeing who is assigning tasks to. You're not even seeing the people you are collaborating with. You understand? So whatever you are doing, whatever that is assigned to you get it and you keep giving them the stages of where you are while working. Okay, we'll have the app center. You know what happens in the app center? App center, like I told you, a kind of marketplace where you go to integrate what you do not have. Maybe inside this our ClickUp, we need this job box. What do? We click on it and integrate it into this workspace. Maybe you need your Google Drive and you integrate it into this workspace. If you look at this, when we started that agenda part, we saw Google Calendar, which we integrated, we synced it into this workspace. Do you remember? So that is why it is showing you that you've integrated your Google Calendar into the workspace. Okay, the same thing here. If you need this Google Drive, then you also integrate it like Slack. You can also integrate Slack. Why? You can integrate Slack because you need to be getting notification of anything that is assigned to you here in your ClickUp in your Slack. You are not always in your ClickUp to know whether something has been assigned to you. This Slack is where your company, where you guys interact, communicate internally. So this is where you always get most notification. That is why Slack needs to be, whatever or internal communication tool you are using needs to be integrated into this ClickUp for you to be getting any notification. So if anything is assigned to you, when it comes to your Slack, it beeps. It notifies you that something has been assigned to you in your ClickUp. So what do? You click on that thing you click on the message you are getting, it takes you back to ClickUp to see what is assigned to you. Am I communicating? So anything you need, you come here to integrate it. All right. Okay. Back to, okay, we've done App Center. We are setting, we've done Space. Space is the project. We'll do that when we go back. We'll have our team. This is where we'll see all the people on the space. No team found. Create a team. Create a team to group users and assign them to. Please, you guys to sign into this workspace. If you know I've sent anything to you, please quickly sign into the workspace. All right. We'll have our tax type. We'll have normal tax. We'll have milestone. Normal tax in the sense is just normal. I'm assigning tax to you. Milestone as in different stages of task. A kind of long task, long project, milestone. All right. We'll have import and export. Okay, let me explain this. You know the meaning of import. Import means when you are trying to download something. Import means when you are trying to upload something. Export means when you are trying to download something. Okay, now I want to start with import. Let's assume they were using Trello. Your company was using Trello before. Let's assume your company was using Trello before. And now they don't want to be using Trello again as their workflow. They want to be using ClickUp. So they want to abandon or Trello. What would they do? Would they start transferring everything in Trello into this your ClickUp manually? No, it is not done that way. What do? They go and start import. Go and import Trello into this space. Also import the staff, all the people working there. You understand? So what we want to import now is Trello. We were using Trello before and we are no longer using it. So we want to transfer everything we have in our Trello. We want to transport it. We want to transfer it, import it here. You understand? So we are importing our Trello, everything we have in our Trello here. Do you understand? So now they say, would you like to give the following application access to your account? Yes, I am importing, so I need to allow everything. Allow, log in. Log in. Does it mean I do not have, I think this ClickUp I'm using, this particular account. Okay, let me see, Sha. Let's see. So I'm trying to import, I'm trying to import my Trello account. I wish I pray I have Trello account with this. I'm trying to import my Trello account. Okay, let's be moving. I'm trying to import my Trello account. We are no longer using Trello. We want to switch to ClickUp. We want to switch to ClickUp. So we want to bring everything we have in our Trello in here. Everything we have in our Trello in here. Then step 2, they say Trello boards to import. Which board do you want to import? All 3 boards. Let me see. Customize boards individually to check whether others. Okay, they're all the 3 boards. These are all the boards I want to bring. Okay, select the space. These are all the boards I want to import into this ClickUp. New space. No, I think this is it what I have? Select X space, then next. So now this is where we are. What type of session does your board have? In Trello, this is what we use in Trello. If you remember, to do done, this is what I use. So I'm taking this. You understand? I didn't use lists. I use board in Trello. All right. Now we are trying to import all these people here, all these users here. Were they in your Trello workspace working with you? Okay, are they still going to work with you here in your ClickUp? If yes, then you come here, you change them that are going to work with you. Invite by email. No, select a user. Let me select a user. So I am selecting this person. I'm selecting this person because he's already, hold on, please. Select a user, sorry. Okay, Iho to Abo. I think he was in our Trello. Do I want to bring the Iho to Abo here? Yes, let me select a user. Let me do it that way. Ihotu. I think I've selected Ihotu. Glory Mosu. Yes, Gloria was in Trello and Glory is also here. So I'm bringing them here. Glory. So needless, you people will enter here because I'm importing you people from my Trello account into this space. Justice Fort. Justice was also there. So Justice is still working with us in this company. Yes. Please stop. I'm not changing. Moses, I think Moses is also working with us here and there. Okay, I think I'm good to go. These are the people that they work with me in Trello, and I'm bringing them here. They are coming here to work with me. What is it that I'm not doing right? Why are you telling me not? There's something I didn't do right. Sorry, please. Let me go back and see what I didn't do right. There is something I didn't do right, but they're all there. Okay, they are no longer, they've not entered the workspace. Glory, they've not entered the workspace. Please let me remove.
Which one?
It's
Is
okay,
it the
it's okay.
ClickUp
Don't worry. Let me
workspace?
remove some
I've
people.
entered.
You have entered. I think your own will go. I think. Why is it stopping?
I've entered also.
Why is it
Esther,
stopping
Esther
me?
also.
I'm trying to bring you people into this space. Why is it stopping me? Why is it stopping me? I'm not inviting by mail. I want to just do normal user. Select a user is what I want to do. I don't know why it's stopping me. It's okay. Let me go and now do the choosing. Select a user. Let me choose. Select a user. That is me. Let me go to Glory. Glory, where are you? Let me, Glory. Select a user. Glory, here you are here, right? Then Abu Hotsu. Let me do it that way. Let me do it that way. You are working with me. Where is the Abu? It's like he's not here. So let me not bother myself in this zone. Justice Fort. Abi? Let me see Justice Fort. So all the people working with me on that space that are here, I am bringing them back here. I can't see others though. I can't see others. I cannot see
Ma,
others.
I'm in your workspace also.
No, I'm saying I
Esther,
can't see. I can't see. I'm selecting. Just hold on. Don't worry. I've just selected Glory and myself. I don't know why it is not. I don't know why it's stopping me. Something is. I don't know why it's stopping me. It's supposed to highlight so that it's supposed to highlight. Do not import. I don't know why it's not highlighting. I don't know why it's not highlighting. I don't know why it's not highlighting. I've just taken only myself. Mm. Okay, do you want to include archive cards? Yes, include archive cards. I want to import even archive, well, we didn't archive anything, Sha. Do you want to import attachment from Trello? Did we attach anything? We didn't attach anything. If you want anything you want, you select, you check it. You understand? So this import is underway. You will receive an email when it has completed. Can you see? So let's check the status of the imports we are running. Okay, so see the status, import queued. By the time the import is complete, if it's complete, it will get to this point. Okay, so while we are waiting, hope people understood this import. We were using Trello before. Now we want to start using ClickUp. So are we going to be doing all these things and bringing them manually to our ClickUp? No, all the things we have in our ClickUp, even our staff, we import them into ClickUp Workspace. Do you understand? That is all it's all about. So it's still doing. I want it to finish so that we'll go back and see what we've done. All right. Hope we are getting what we are doing.
Ma, I'm not getting it. Oh.
If you are not getting it, tell me where you are, where you feel I will explain again. Where did you get it wrong?
In
Where did you
the
get me wrong, please?
at, where you entered the start and then start import and then start export.
Where I entered. Did you just enter this class?
No, no, no. I've been there, but I didn't
It's okay, I will
get
show you.
how
It's
we're
okay, I will
going.
show you. The export, when the import completed. Can you see it? Import completed. If you want to delete, you delete, but you're not deleting anything. So let's go back to our workspace. Let's go back to our workspace. Let me show him what he asked. Watch here. In this our workspace, please watch here. See the import I did, but I will show you later. Can you see imported from Trello? Can you see it? Have you seen it? Have you seen the import I did? We've
Yes,
not done anything here,
Yes.
but all the things we've done in that thing we did in Trello. If you remember what we did in Trello the last time, they are here now. Do you remember we did something in Trello?
Yes.
Yeah, so what we did in Trello
yes, yes. I can see.
has entered here. What we did in Trello has entered here. Look at it. What we did in Trello has entered here. All right. So now I want to show you. You asked me a question on how did I get to that import and export. You come to your workspace here, go to your settings. You come to your workspace, you go to your settings. Then when you go to your settings, you come here. Can you see import and export? You come here, click on import and export. Can you see that? Then you start your
Okay,
import.
okay, okay. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you start your
Start
import.
my import. Okay.
Yes, if it's Asana is also a project management tool. Jira is also a project management tool. Maybe you were using Jira before and you are no longer using Jira. You want to start using ClickUp. You go and import everything in your Jira or your ClickUp to your ClickUp. Even your staff, the people working with you, import them here. Then we'll have the ClickUp API. Let me explain here. Like I told you, whatever you do not have on this workspace and you need to get it, what do? You go to the ClickUp App Center to go and integrate whatever you do not have. This is ClickUp App Center. I've shown you before. If maybe you need this, you come here to integrate it into this workspace. You understand? Maybe you need it, whatever you need, you come and integrate it into ClickUp Workspace. But in a situation you do not have it, if you have come to maybe you have come to App Center and you are not seeing Slack, and you know you need Slack, what do? You need this ClickUp API, application program interface. That is what you need, but it's purely done by programmers, developers. You come to ClickUp API, the same thing with Zapier API. You use it. That thing you do not want, maybe you want WhatsApp and WhatsApp is not there. Maybe you want Slack and Slack is not there. Do you understand? You put the name of that thing you want, maybe Slack, something like that. Then go get the URL of it. Go get Slack URL and come and paste it here, copy it and paste here and create it. Do you understand? So what you don't have, you work with API or Zapier. That is the only way you can integrate it into that workspace. Am I communicating? Am I communicating?
Yes, ma.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Then we'll have
Yes, ma'am.
email integration. If you want to integrate your email here, you do it, but needless. No, no need. If you want to integrate, if you trash anything, you say it here. You want to log out, you log out here. Then everybody knows the meaning of this part, but I'll do that when I enter inside. Let me go back to workspace. So this I think I'm finished with this setting part. All right. Okay, let me go back to the workspace. I want to create a board. We've not created any board. The only one I'm seeing here should be the one from Trello because we imported our Trello here. You understand? Okay, watch it. These are the things we did in Trello, if you remember. When I opened Kanban templates, I was showing you something, if you will remember. You remember we did lead generation as a project in Trello. Do you remember? We have a sales project in Trello. We
Yes,
have,
yes.
yes, these are the things we imported from Trello. Can you see that? So let's create our board here. Let's create our project here. If you want to create a project here you come to create space. Remember, this create space is not the same with your workspace. You understand? You want to create a project, you come here to create it. This is where you create your project, not that workspace. So okay, now I come and name what's the name of our project? What do we give this project? Let me call it MTN project. Let me just call this MTN project. I need it to be different from what we are doing. MTN project. So what's the description of the project? Is optional, so let us not put. Make this workspace private. No. If you make this workspace private, only you and invited members have access. But if you make it public, all the people in the workspace, no, if you make it private, only you will be seeing it. You understand? If you make it public, if you enable it now, that means you want to make it private. Then, but the way it is now, you and the people on this workspace will access it, which is okay. But if you want only you enable it. So let's leave it like that. We'll continue. We'll continue. All right, define your workflow. Let's it's starter. We are doing starter. So when you are doing it, you do with starter, please. All right, create your space. Is there anything I've not done? Starter. Okay. All right. All right. So done. Why are you taking me back? Is there anything I've not done? Starter. I'm using starter, which is okay for me. Okay. All right. Okay. Have you seen the board that I just created now? Can you see that? Can you see the
Yes,
MTN
ma.
project I
Yes,
Yes,
just
ma.
ma'am.
Yes,
created
ma.
now? Can you see it? All right. So
Yes.
see the MTN project here. If you want to rename it, maybe you don't want it MTN project again, you can rename it. Do you understand? You can rename it. All right. I don't want to rename it. I don't even want to give it color. It's okay. I don't want to rename it. All right. Okay. Back to back to here this place. Okay, here we have our fields. We have different fields. We have list, we have board, just like in our Trello we use board. But here in ClickUp I will use list, I can use table. Yes, we'll have other views. We'll have Kanban views. We'll have timeline views. We'll have calendar view. Let me just bring all of them out. We'll have different views. That's different layouts. I want you to understand it. Different layouts. We'll have Gantt. If you remember when we were doing our Trello, if you remember when we were doing our Trello, I showed you people different layouts. I think I showed you people. Why is this one showing me, please? I showed you people different layouts. If you remember. So you can bring them here. You can also put all of them here. I don't know why this one is entering here. I don't want it here. I want it to be pinned up. Board. I need to pin them. Okay, calendar is also pinned, but I'm not seeing it. All right. The table, is it pinned? Yes. Add views. Okay. So anyone, you can bring them out here. You can just bring them to be here so that you see what you are doing. All right. Okay. Now let us go and create our task. Remember, we are here to assign tasks to different people. You can create your task from here. Can you see? Add task. You can add your task from here. You can also, let me go back. I want table. Okay, I'm using table. I can use table. I can use lists. I'm using, let me bring out list, please. This is table. I can use table. I can use list. Sorry, please. Let me quickly bring out list. I want to bring out list. Okay, I want list. I want list. I think I'm using list here for a purpose. You can use any one you want, but I want to use list. All right. Here we'll have list. We'll have to do. Can you see it? We'll have list. We'll have to do. What's the meaning of to do? To do means what to do. I want to assign some tasks to people now. I want to add task. I want to assign tasks to people. I want to add task. So what's the project we are doing? We say MTM project. Maybe the project we are trying to maybe mount install mast, MTM mast, something like that. Okay, maybe the first one will be go for site inspection. I'm saying it's for site inspection. Please, everyone watch. Site inspection is the first project. Can you see it? I save. Then I add another task. What another task? Site inspection. Then I can do after site inspection, buy materials for whatever. Buy materials for the installation. Buy materials for installation. I don't know much about MTN. We are only learning. Buy materials for installations. All right. Buy materials for installation. Then I oh, buy materials for installation here.
Just go back to the. Okay, thank you.
I don't know what all these things coming out here. What is this? Hey. Oh, mm. Please let me pause my video first. Just pause, please. Can't just be moving. Hey. Why all these messages just coming by this time? Hey.
I wish your system has a place for do not disturb. Once you set it, all these things will not be popping up again.
Do not disturb is my system I'm using for my for
That's
that
what I'm saying.
for
That's what I'm
data.
saying. I
If
wish you know where your system.
let's
I
assume
said I
I'm
wish you know where it is.
hey sorry, I've not even started my recording. Hey, I'm recording. I didn't okay, pause. All these things. I don't like all these things. All right. So I've added buy materials for installations. I save. You understand? Then I add another tax. What other tax do I want to add now? Buy materials. Do base casting. Just base casting. Base casting. Uh, all right. So these are just the projects. Then let me just put installation of the mask, please. Installation. Sorry. Installation. Mast installation. Just the mast installation. All right. Mass installation. So then the last one is commission, to commission the project we are doing. All right. Okay, now these are the projects under our MTM project. So these are what to do. What to do. To do means what? What to do. Please. You can rename this if you don't want it to be to do. You can rename it. I wanted to change the color. I want to change the I need to change.
So how did you get that what to do?
How did I do what? How did I do what? Please talk to me.
How did the what to do appear on your list?
How did it appear? I'm using list. So if you
Yeah.
are using list, it will appear like that. I'm using list. The layout I'm using is list. Do you understand?
Okay, ma.
The layout I am
Yes, ma.
using is list. So if you click on list, it will appear this way. But if you are not seeing it, just go and click on add task. It will open it. You will still see it. Are you seeing it? Okay, so these are all the
Yes, ma.
projects. Yes, these are all the projects I want to assign to different people. These are the projects I want to assign to different people. Can you see the projects? These are the projects I want to assign to different people. Okay, and now if I want to assign to people now, I will come here to start assigning. You click here. I want to assign site inspection. I want this person to be the one to do Glory to do site inspection. So I'm assigning this to Glory. Have you seen it? Let me assign this to another person. I want to assign to different people. I'm assigning to different people. So I'm assigning to different people. I think I will say assign to myself. All right, I'm assigning to different people. Who is talking about phone number? I'm assigning, is this person here? I'm assigning to different people. So let me assign to Glory, I'm assigned to you. All right, but now I have assigned, don't do anything yet so that I'll explain what we are doing. I've assigned this to you, then I have to come and put our due dates. Do you understand? And I'll put due date. I want you to start today. I want you to start today. Are you getting it? I want you to start today and end. I want you to start today. Glory, I am assigning to you. I want you to.
Yeah.
Oh, I want you to start today. I wanted to put end date. Okay, let me assign to another person. I want the person to start so date and stop. I don't know why the both of them are. Only due date is showing. It's okay. Only due date is showing. I think. Anyway, let me assign to different people for now. Later, I'll go and correct something. Assign to different people.
Charles,
No problem. Don't worry. There's something I want to go and bring another field. Let me just assign to different people. So this is due dates. Please let me explain something to us here so I will understand what we are doing. When I am assigning
Ma,
a
you can still take it.
when I'm assigning a project to you,
Sorry, ma.
and I'm assigning this to you today, and I'm also giving you due date today. It then means the impact of this is high, the priority is high, meaning that the priority I'm going to put here is high priority because it is today. Okay, I'm assigning this to you today, and I said tomorrow, and I say your due date is Saturday, so the priority is just normal. Do you understand? Priority, the impact depends on your due date. So the due date of this is today. So the impact is high. You understand? The impact is high. I can put urgent because for me to tell you today, that means this project is urgent. Please, that means you have to do it so fast, so quick. Then Saturday, the priority is normal. That's the impact. Then today, the priority is also, it can be urgent, it can also be high. Maybe it is not urgent, but it's high priority. That's why I'm giving you today. You understand? Then tomorrow, the priority is low. It's a bit high, oh, because I'm giving you project today. I said the due date should be tomorrow. The priority is low. Then tomorrow, the priority can also be low. Do you understand? Then if it's maybe next week, the due date, the priority can be just normal priority. Then we need status. We need to bring in our status. I'm not seeing status here. You know what is status? Your labels, where you put the progress of what you are doing. I am in progress. I am stuck. I am this. You understand? This is where you put it. All right. Okay. Now I want to bring a field. I want to bring status. Let me see if I can see status here. Okay, labels. I'm seeing it as labels. So let me click on label and bring it here. Field name, that is label. So I want to bring label. I want to bring labels here. Do you understand? Label type. It's label. Sorry. Label. In progress in this. I don't want to put it this way, please. Oh, just hold on, please. I want to bring this field that is not here. I want to include label options. Let me put options for my labels. The options I'm going to put for my label in progress, in progress, in progress. The next option, stock. Next one, then another option, maybe completed. So you put the status of what you are, the progress. If you are in progress, you say you are in progress, just like though you have started doing it, just like done, I am done. When you are stuck, you still let us know you are stuck. Am I communicating? Am I communicating?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me put color for
Yes, ma'am.
stuck. You know,
Yes.
when you are stuck, it can be red. When you are in progress, progress can give us green. It's okay. Progress can give green. Completed can also give green, but a different kind of green. The other type of green, I can't see it. It's okay. All right, I create. Does everybody watch what I'm doing? The label is not here. I am bringing it here. Created label field. Why is it not showing here? It's okay. I just created it and it's not showing here. So let me go to customize and look for it. Let me go to customize and look for customize. Why is it not showing? It's supposed to be showing me. It's supposed to be showing me the field. It's supposed to be showing me label. It's enabled. Let me even enable. Why is it's enabled? Why is it not showing? Okay, let me go and reload. Let me go and let me refresh. Let me refresh. It's supposed to be showing. All right. All right. It's refreshing. We've created a field labels. Labels. You know, in our Trello, you guys saw it there as labels. There are some places you see it as status. That's when you're putting the progress of your text, the text that has been given to you. I don't know why it is not showing. It's supposed to be showing here. This place will put plus because we are adding a column. It's supposed to be showing here. I'm not. It's supposed to be showing here. I don't know why it isn't showing. It's supposed to be showing so that you can.
Now click on the zero. Click on the zero. Like I clicked on the zero and it showed me.
Sorry, which
Click
zero?
on the place you write site inspection.
What is zero?
The place you put the circle in site inspection. Just click on it. It will now show down. It show down. And just click on the
No, you
circle
don't
where the right
understand. Even if it's showing
site
down,
inspection.
even if it's showing down, it's supposed to be coming up. Do you understand? It's supposed to show us the way we are seeing priority up here. It's supposed to be showing up. Let me even scroll sideways. Let me scroll sideways and see. Okay, I think it's here. Okay, sorry, I've seen it. It's here. I didn't scroll sideways. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Please let me interchange it. Let me put it where I want it to be. Let me interchange it. I want to carry it. I want to move it to this side. All right. Okay, please. The people I assigned this to, when you get this, you come to the label. If you start doing the job, you come to your label. You come to your label. If you are in progress, you put in progress. If you are stuck, you put stuck. If you are completed, you put completed. But don't do anything yet. Let's open conversation. Let's open conversation in here. I am telling you to do site inspection, but I need to describe it very well. I can open it from this. This is comment. This is where you have your comment. Do you understand? Comment. I can open here to comment to tell you something. I can also click inside here. I can also click inside here to open. Do you understand? Do you understand? I've opened. This is the full task I've given to you. This is the status of the task to do, what to do. Are you seeing it? Now, assignees, I assign to this particular person. then due date. I can change anything in here if I want to change. Do you understand? Then track time. I'm not tracking any time. By the time I will start doing time trackers, time tracking, you will understand this place. Tag empty. I didn't tag it anything. You can tag it anything you want to use to know it. You tag it anything. So when you want to look for it, you use tag to get the exact tags you are looking for. So I'm not creating any tags. I don't want to tag it anything. Do you understand? All right. I want to start conversation. So what do I want you to do? What do I want you to do? I say site inspection. You can't tell me to do site inspection without explaining very well. Do you understand? Site inspection as in how. So I will come here now to tell you, okay, good morning. Good morning. Yes. I can now tell you what I want to tell you. Please, Glory, please, Glory, go for site inspection for the installation of MTN mast. MTN mast for the installation of MTN mast. You understand? I will now take Glory to go for installation. Good morning, please. Glory, go for the installation inspection for the installation of the MTN mast. This message is half baked. When I send this to Glory, Glory needs to ask question. Sorry, Glory, check if you are receiving this. If you have received it, please click here on reply and respond to me. But see the way I want you to respond to me. See what I want you to do for me. In your response, anyway, just respond. In your response, I say go for site inspection and go for site inspection for the MTN mass installation. You understand? I didn't even do the spelling well. Then you click on reply. You can tell me, boss, seen, but this message is not clear to me. You can just say something. Gloria, are you there? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Hello?